Hey, what is up guys? Today in this video let's see how to hack any application and remove ads from any applications. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Now let's see how to hack any application, but don't worry, you don't have to root your phone. It works in all the phones. Rooted phones will give extra features, but anyway, first you need to install Lucky Patcher on your phone. Lucky Patcher on your phone, all you need to do is go on Google and search for Lucky Patcher in the Google search. In the result, click on the first result which appears on top, and this is the official site of the Lucky Patcher. Here click on the download option to download it, and it will take you to the downloading page. Here you click on the download button which you can see. Just click on the download button itself. There may be some other pop-up windows which will open up if you click somewhere else on this page. And here you get the download pop-up option whether to download or not, and now it's downloading. Just wait for it to download, and this is actually the installer which you're downloading. And now the downloading has been completed. Let's open this. Okay, let's try to install this on your phone. Here you will get this warning message from the Google Play Store saying that this application is harmful for your phone, but don't worry, this application is just fine, not gonna harm your phone. It shows this error message, like a warning message on your phone, just because this application has the capability of altering the code in the application. That's why it just shows this application is very harmful, but it's actually safe. It's okay. So next thing is it will ask you to download the actual Lucky Patcher. So just click on accept, and downloading will begin soon, and also give the permission for it. You can give all the permission and allow it to download and install the Lucky Patcher app. You can ignore the permission if you don't want to give a permission. So anyway, here you can see the change log that shows here, and here also you can see the latest applications which are all on your phone. And when you click on application, you will get the menu to patch the application. Here you get many options. Here you can see your two main options, that is in-app purchases and to remove ads. So if you just want to remove ads, you can click on the remove ads option, and if you want to hack the application or make any purchases, just click on the in-app LVL and the patching takes place. Here it's downloading the latest patches and updates. Okay, the latest updates and patches have been installed. Let's reopen the application, but before that, let's see the game which I'm about to hack and make some purchases. I'll just show you this. Here you can see the purchase option for the premium feature, and it's asking to pay from the Google Play Store. We're going to hack this application, so let's get back to the Lucky Patcher app. Again, it's showing the warning, but then again it's totally fine. You can disable the pop-up warning every time it shows up. So let's open this application and click on the application which you would like to hack. And here I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to click on the LVL through which I can make in-app purchases. Just click on to patch it. You don't have to worry about the other options which are showing on the screen. Just click on the patch, and here it's done. Now you can uninstall the existing app and install the patched app. You can directly do this in this application, as well as you can do it manually through your phone. And here I'm going to uninstall this application and reinstall it. Okay, now it's asking me to install the application, and now the installation has been done. Let's open the application and let's see. Here's the premium option. I'm gonna click on it, and here's the pop-up this is the pop-up which shows up. Just click on S and there you go. You just bought the premium version of this app. Now you can get everything for free in this application. So this is how you can easily hack any application or remove ads from any application you would like. And removing ads, it's still the same process, and this may not work in all the application or games, because some of the games stores the data on the server itself, so games like that will be difficult to hack. For example, games like PUBG, Battle.B, the games which stores the data in the server. And same goes for the application too. Not all the application can be hacked, but most of the application and games can definitely be hacked. You can definitely try it and give it a go and see whether it works or not. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.